Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 4 ways to format strings in Python. Let's start by looking at our variables. I'm using a database variable of the type string and a cost variable of the type float. The first way to format a string is by using a % operator. For message 1, I'm using 3 formatters. %d represents an integer, %s represents a string, and %f represents a float. Let's see what happens when we print message 1. As you can see, all 3 placeholders were replaced by the corresponding values in the parentheses. Note 6.2f represents a total length of 6 with 2 decimal places. If I were to change 6 to 8, it's gonna add 2 spaces in front of 4999. Replacing 8 with 18 will add 12 extra spaces. The second way to format a string is by using the format method with positions. Here you specify the placeholders within the curly braces. 0 represents the first position, 1 represents the second position, and so on. The formatter after the colon suggests the type. D represents an integer, S represents a string, and F represents a float. Printing message 2 should result in a similar output as message 1. The third way to format a string is by using the format method without positions. Here you'll notice within the curly braces, I haven't specified the positions in front of the colons. Printing message 3 should result in the exact same output as message 2. The fourth way to format a string is by using the format method without positions or formatters. Here I didn't specify anything within the curly braces. Watch what happens when I print message 4. You'll notice that the float value was printed as is without any formatting. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.